Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th chapter 5 arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3 question 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So what are the odd numbers between 0 and 50? So we have 0 here. The number starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then the last number is 50. Okay, so but what we have to find the sum of the odd numbers. So from 0 to 50, between 0 and 50. So between 0 is here and 50 is here. So between these two numbers, so that means we should not count and neither we should count this number. Between these, what are the numbers come? Between 0 and 50. So between 0 and 50. So inside, from here this inside. So between all these numbers, there we have to find out odd numbers. So that means this here it will be 49, 48, 47. So that means between 1 to 49, we have to find the odd numbers and then find the sum of the odd numbers. So let's write down what are the odd numbers. So odd numbers, what is the meaning of odd numbers? Odd numbers means the numbers which cannot be divided by 2. So all the numbers which can't be divided by 2 are odd numbers. So let's write down odd number. So 1 cannot be divided, so it's an odd number. Then 3 cannot be divided by 2, so it's an odd number. Then 5 cannot be divided, and so on and on. And last 49 also cannot be divided by 2. So these all are odd numbers. So now we have to find out the sum of the odd numbers. Okay, so now here we have written down 1 to 49. So now here how many numbers come? So we don't know. So let's make it as first term, second term, third term, and we don't know. We don't know this is which term it will come, we don't know. So let's write down the formula, that is sum of the number of terms equal to n upon 2 first term plus last term. So if we have to use this formula, we don't know how many number of terms. See here only just they are saying find the sum of the odd number. So sum of how many terms we have to find out, we don't know, because we know first term, second term, third term, and then the last term we know, that is an, last term. But in between how many numbers come, we don't know. That means how many number of terms we don't know. We know this is third term, but this is which term it will come, we don't know. That means n we don't know. We know a value is 1, and we know that is an also is the last term, an meaning also is the last term, and that is 49, that we know. Then we can find out d value. D is from 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So d value we know, but n we don't know. So we have to find out n value. Okay, if we don't know n value, neither we can apply here nor we know here. So only with these two we can't find the solution. So let's find out the n value. So we know that is an is given to us, that is 49. And then an, how do we write the formula for an? An we write, remember, a plus n minus 1 d. So an we write like this, a plus n minus 1 d. This formula I taught you already. So this is equal to 49. So now a value we know, a is what? 1. A value is 1. N we don't know, we have to find out n. D we know 2. 49. So n minus 1 to 49. This plus 2 when it comes here, it will become minus 1. So n minus 1 to 49 minus 1 will give us 48. N minus 1 we keep it here only. This 2 is in multiplication. When it comes here, it will become division. So 24 we get. So and we keep it here. This 24 we write here. This minus 1 comes here. It will become plus 1. So n we get 25. So n value we found out, that is 25. So now let's put it in the formula. Now we have all the values. So the formula is Sn. So number of terms, n value is 25 we found out. And then n is 25. Then 2. First term we know, that is 1. Then the last term also we know, that is 49. So sum of 25 terms. So 25 upon 2. 49 plus 1 will be 50. So this if you get 25 times, so then 25 into 25. So 25 into 25 will give us 625. If you want to calculate, can calculate 2 5 2 6. So 625. Hence sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. So that's our answer. That's it. Thank you. God bless you.